One day, a man came to Dharamsala who had very good relations with communist China. On hearing of his arrival, many of the people here had branded him a Chinese communist and blackened his image even before setting eyes on him. As a result, when I first met him, there was an uncomfortable atmosphere. I had nothing against him personally. I viewed him as a human being like any other, and thought that if he believed the Chinese, it was simply because he was inadequately informed. The Tibetan situation was really tragic, and I was not going to tell him the opposite just to please him. I was going to tell him things as they are. As soon as we met, he spoke with a polemical tone, but I considered him simply as a human being, and I spoke to him of Tibet in a friendly way. On the second day, his attitude had completely changed. At the beginning, the confrontation made him uncomfortable. If I had shown any nervousness too, both of us would have gradually become more and more entrenched behind our positions. I would not have listened to his arguments, and he would have paid no heed to mine. But by considering him as a human being, and thinking that all human beings are equal if sometimes ill informed, and by behaving in a friendly way, I was slowly able to get him to open up.